Story 10. Subaru Forester moonroof recall. Subaru is recalling 7,000 2026 Forester and Forester hybrid SUVs because the moonroof glass may detach while driving. Think about it, folks. Let that sink in for a moment. This is not just a problem for the Subaru owner. This glass comes off. A vehicle that speeds, it can become a road hazard for other drivers. And that is why this recall matters. Subaru built its brand around safety and trust. So a defect like this on a brand new model here really hurts. My take is Subaru needs to handle this quickly and cleanly because Forester buyers are usually practical people who buy the brand for peace of mind, right? Hello everybody and welcome. Thanks for watching the news, and let me know in the comment below if you appreciate this type of segments so I can produce more of them. Then like and subscribe. Story 11. Honda and Acura are recalling nearly 99,000 vehicles because the passenger seatbelt weight sensor issue. The sensor helps the vehicle to decide how the airbag should deploy. The sensor gives bad information. The airbag system may not behave properly. So this is a reminder that modern cars are not just mechanical anymore. One small electronic sensor can affect major safety system. My take, Honda has a strong reliability reputation. But no brand gets a free pass when it comes to safety. When safety is involved, it needs to be handled urgently. Check your vent and get the repair done. Before you buy your next car, watch this, because the auto industry gave us one clearest warnings we have seen all year. Luxury brands are struggling to make EVs exciting. Automakers are rethinking electric plans. Major recalls are hitting Ford, Hyundai, Subaru, Honda, Acura, and others. Robotaxis are moving closer to the roads. Chinese automakers are pushing deeper into Europe. And add-to-ride repair is becoming a national fight, which President Trump got involved in. So this is not just another week of car news. This is about trust. Can you trust your vehicle? Can you trust the technology? Can you trust the company? And most importantly, should you spend your hard-earned money on it? Welcome back to Berdy Automotive News Update. Let's get into it right now.